Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video on Salesforce Gold. So, this is not an ordinary video on my YouTube channel. This is not going to be a technical, informative video. Instead of that, this video is about Delhi Dreamin. You must have heard of it. This is going to be the first Dreamin event for the year 2025 here, which will be happening at Delhi. So, in this video, we'll talk about it. I'll share some very cool information about it. I'll talk about the advisors, the founder, the team of Teledreamin, and I'll be sharing a special discount code with you guys, which will be providing you some additional discount while you are buying tickets for it. Okay, so we'll start with the little bit of introduction about the event. So as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be first Dreamin of the year. I am very excited for it. I hope you too are excited. The event will be featuring around 40 engaging sessions, and they're expecting around 600 plus audience here. It will be filled with Salesforce delegates, MVP, your peers, colleagues, a very good opportunity to meet new people, learn new things, and make some really good connections. It will be happening on 1st March 2025. The venue location is DAIC New Delhi, which is Dr. Ambedkar International Convention Center, Delhi. It is one of the prime location, guys, which is having a very great architectural. It is having good space and accessibility and other facility as well. You are going to love this venue. Moving on to the advisor of these events, these are pretty well-known faces over the social media. So we have been seeing them in many of the previous Dreamin events as well. They will be having their presence in this Dreamin event as well. So we will be having Kavindra Patel, VP of Trailblazer Engagement Salesforce. We'll be having Abhinav Gupta, Salesforce MVP and Hall of Fame. We'll be having Kanan Narayana, Salesforce MVP, and of course, we'll be having Rupesh Bhatia, who is also a Salesforce MVP and a Hall of Fame. Now, talking about the organizers. So, I'm not going to talk about them actually. I'm having Delhi Dreamin team or organizers team with me. They are here on this call, and I'll let them speak about themselves. Over to you, Sagar.
Hey Kapil, thanks for having me here. It's really an honor to be at your page, your YouTube channel. You have been providing content insights to the community for so long, and I've been one of your subscribers. So it's really an honor to be here. Guys, my name is Sagar Kenja. I have over 10 years of experience in Salesforce ecosystem. I have been an active contributor in the community. I have over 6 years of community experience, contributing as a leader, volunteer, mentor, and as a speaker. I have been leading the Salesforce developer group of New Delhi, and I am the CGL advisory board member of 2025. I'm also one of the the co-founder and created the Talent Central, a platform which was a matchmaking for people who were searching for job and companies who were looking for candidates. And we had over 10 people who got job in COVID period. I've been the inaugural Einstein champion 2019, 2020, and then the platform champion 21, been the trailer DX19 demo engineer for Einstein, and I'm an active journey to Salesforce mentor and speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar. Moving on to the next slide. Vishal is also here. Vishal, over to you.
Hi, Kapil. Thanks for me having here. So I am Vishal Saraswat. I am having over 8 years of experience in IT sector, and I am currently working as a senior Salesforce developer with Questel, and I am currently contributing from more than 5 years in the Trailblazer community as a volunteer, leader, mentor, and as a speaker. I am currently leading the Gurugram Salesforce Developer Group, and I am a J2S mentor and a speaker as well. So thank you, and over to you, Kapil.
Thank you, Vishal. So, guys, there are so many things to, you know, so many things to notice about Sagar and Vishal. I will just summarize it. So, if you are at Delhi, want to contribute or participate in the community events happening at Delhi, you can reach out to Sagar, a very good guy and good mentor as well. If you are at Gurgaon, by the way, then Vishal will be here. If you want to participate in community events or contribute at Gurgaon developer groups, please reach out to Vishal. Again, a very good guy, mentor, a good leader. Moving on to the next slide, the team of Delhi Dreamin.
Yeah, I can take it forward. So, guys, oh, adding to what Kapil said, guys, if you are in Delhi NCR, reach out to us. Feel free to, reach out to us if you have anything that we can help you with. Maybe you want a stage, maybe you want to volunteer, maybe you want to connect with people, maybe you want to get a mentor. Happy to help. And that is what our community is all about. This is our team. Starting with me, I'm the founder and organizer of Daily Trimming. Vishal was my co-organizer. Himanshu is a part of our core team. He currently works as a technical lead in Accenture. Borika is leading the Delhi WIT chapter, and she is working in Infosys. Neha, she is been a woman in tech leader, great contributor in our community. She is working as a senior architect at UST. Then we have Simran, who has been helping us out a lot from so long in our in our community events. And Divya is leading the Faridabad developer group, and she is the woman and tech leader, giving back to the community for quite some time, quite long time, and happy to have all of them as a part of our team. Oh well, number one and the biggest question, right? Growing why Delhi dreaming? Well, guys, Delhi NCR is actually a very diverse region. It's a vibrant Salesforce community. We have over 6 cities connected to Delhi. All of them, or each one of them, is many Silicon Valleys. A lot of companies are there, people working in these companies, and there are a lot of colleges. So Future Force is also there. So there is a big growing Salesforce community, and there are a lot of learning opportunity too. We have our own Veterans Connect platform. We already had a big event in IIT Delhi last year, and our whole focus is to give back to the veterans, to the people who have given back to us and our country. And Delhi NCR is a community engagement networking hub. We have our own non-profit support program. We have not tagged to just one, but multiple, and we have been giving back to the to the non-profit channels for quite some time. And with Delhi Trimming, we will be doing the same. There are a lot of business development opportunities too in Delhi NCR, and as I said, it's a mini Silicon Valley, and Delhi itself being the capital of India, so that speaks volume. What's next? Well, our values. We believe in innovation. We believe in community. We believe in networking and learn. We call it fun and learn a lot. And inclusion. We strongly believe in all of our values, and that is the reason we call it a conference for everyone. Well, what's next? What makes us unique? Well, one thing that we want to highlight with Delhi Trimming is that Delhi Trimming is a unified platform bringing over entire Delhi NCR, over 20 group leaders. So you get that speaks volume, right? All of them together at Delhi Dreaming, and to focus on creating the right ecosystem, to create a open ecosystem in our community. We'll have exclusive networking launch. What does it mean? We'll have a lot of icebreaker sessions, a lot of fun activities, and something different that you will see at the Delhi Dreaming. You will hear a lot of success stories. You will hear, how latest greatest technology is being used in Salesforce and how they have been implemented. Well, AI and data, that's the topic of the entire decade, we can say, right? We are AI data focus, and you will see a lot of sessions, a lot of learning that you will get from our teletrimming. And we have exclusive developer and architect corner. Just to highlight Kapil, well architected workshop in Delhi. I don't know when it happened last time. So we are going to have it. Just FYI, everyone. We'll have a lot of technical session and workshops, and keynote sessions and panel discussion. Guys, you're going to love it. What the agenda is, aligned. You guys going to love it and going to miss it if you're not there. So please do go ahead and register for Delhi trip. And Thank you, guys. Thanks, Kapil, for having us. Here is our gift to all of you watching. We have an exclusive discount coupon, Bolt20. It gives you 20% discount. We have limited seats. It is, as soon as you see, you should register, or somebody else will take your seat. And to reach out to us, you can go to the website dailydreaming.com, or you can, follow us on X, or maybe on LinkedIn. Feel free to drop a note to me or Vishal or even Kapil, right? If you need anything with Delhi Dreaming. Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar, for sharing all these information. Thank you, Vishal. Sagar, you didn't mention about the validity of this discount voucher. So till when it will be valid?
Well, it will be valid until the seats get filled, and you never know how soon the seats get filled. But hopefully, more and more people will be able to get benefit out of it. We are getting an overwhelming response from our Delhi NCR community. So we are going to close the seats very soon. So don't wait. As Kapil said, right? Don't wait. Just go for it.
All right, guys, you heard Sagar. Don't wait for it. If you really wish to come in this streaming event, make sure to register as soon as possible. And now you are having this 20% discount voucher as well.
Yeah.
So this is the right time to register for it. So make sure to register.
Right. Quick question, Kapil. Are you joining us?
Of course, man. I mean, there's no doubt. I'll be there, guys. And I am really want to. I really want to see this event. As this is the first edition of the Salad Dreamin, and of course, like every other Dreamin, they will also be having their specific. I would say specific tadka in it. So I'm really waiting to see that specific thing, like what is unique. And we have been seeing all the presence over the social media, whatever activities these people are doing, they are sharing it on their LinkedIn channel, and you will be able to see it on their website as well. They have been doing an amazingly well job, guys. So make sure to join us, make sure to join me, Sagar, Vishal, and other trailblazers at Teletrimin. All right,
Awesome.
thank you so much, Sagar, for joining this today. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
See
Thanks,
you at
Kapil,
Dalit.
for
Thank you,
having
Kapil.
us. See you guys. Bye.
See you at Dalit Take care. Bye bye.